I pulled off the secondary fuel filter cap and had the car, I was going to have the car cranked, but as soon as we turned the ignition on, fuel started pouring out of that. So I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I didn't choose to crank it because that would just make the environmental problem worse here. So put that cap back on. Now I'm back here. The battery voltage is up to 13 volts. I measured 13.37 on my Fluke 233 voltmeter. It's sitting right on the battery, and it's measuring 1306 on the Autoenginuity display, the CAN bus, which usually seems to read about anywhere from 0.3 to 0.4 of a volt lower than anything I measure with a voltmeter directly. So I'm going to crank the engine again, paying particular attention to that voltage and also looking at the voltage on the external voltmeter. Here we go. 11, 10.8, 11, 10.6, 10.9. It's trying to catch. Come on. There we go, we caught it. That took it a while. It's running rough like it usually does.